If you're a creator, the best AI platform you need in 2026 isn't another tool. It's one platform that gives you everything. In 2025, AI video exploded, incredible tools were released, but creators were tired of paying for different AI subscription and switching between platforms. What if I told you there's a single platform that houses all these premium AI models in one clean workflow? No app switching, no multiple payments, just one platform to create faster, easier, and more freely. Today, I'm introducing you to Higgsfield AI. Higgsfield AI is a Gen AI platform and one of the fastest growing AI video companies, but with one clear goal: to make AI video creation genuinely creator friendly. Let me show you how to use Higgsfield AI and how you can access all those premium AI models. So this is how Higgsfield looks like. So you can see this is Higgsfield AI. So this is the home base. So you can see a lot of amazing cool things Higgsfield have. They have the mixed media studio, and they have the cinema studio, which I already made a video about using the cinema studio, where you have cinema grade controls over your image and video. You can control your lenses, control your focal length, control the camera you're using, and you have different aspect ratio. And you can see over here we have the AI stylized the relight. You can see the relight over here, which is super amazing. The relight, you can see the sedans 1.5 Pro Kling, 2.3 motion, the cinema studio, and a lot more. So let's check out the cinema studio 1.5, and you can see here in the video expert you have different video models to try out: the Kling, VO3, Serato, and lots more. Same thing with the image. You have the NanoBanana Pro, Cedrium 4.5, the GPT 1.5 image, and so much more. And you can see here they are offering a 365 unlimited NanoBanana Pro, where you will have a 70% discount off. So let's go on and check out the cinema studio. This is how the cinema studio looks like. You have access to different cameras here. You can see here you have different camera like the Red V Raptor. You have the Sony Venice. You have IMAX film camera IRLX, and different lenses, different focal lengths, and your aperture. And I created a detailed video which you can see here on how to use the cinema studio. So you can use this for creating cinematic shots. You have full controls and so on. So let's try a prompt here. Let's paste in this prompt, and you can see this prompt here of a close-up of a human subject walking slowly and so on. So let's use the Ari Alex, or let's go for the IMAX camera, the IMAX film camera. And for the lens, let's go for the Ari Alex. Where is it? Okay, let's go for the Ari Signature Prime. And the millimeter, let's set this to 50, and our aperture at 1.4. So let's clear this, and you can set your resolution to 4K, or let's leave this to 2K, and you can set it to 1 output or 4 output. So let's generate and see the result we get. So you can see the results we got here. It's currently loading. You can see how detailed this is. So you can see the bokeh or the book blur effect we gave it, and you can see our lenses we used and so on. You can go for batch output and regenerate this, and you can go to here that says what's next, and you can see here you have multiple shots. You can create up to 9 shots with this. You can create you can change your angles and so on. So that is it for this one. You can check out the detailed video I did about the cinema studio. And also in the cinema studio you have a section for video where you can add in movements. You can add a start to end frame. You can check out the movements they have. We have different camera movement. We have the static, the handheld, the zoom out, the zoom in, So camera follows, pan left, and so on. So I created a full detailed video which you can check out, which is here. You can check out the detailed video on the Cinema Studio. So let's try the handheld. So let's click on the handheld, and for our image, let's make use of this same image here and let's generate. And you can see the video over here. So let's play the video. So you can see it has this slow zooming effect, and you can see it's maintained the same image, maintained the blur effect, and everything there is maintained and looks realistic. So you can check out the detailed video I made about the cinematic studio. And for the image, you can see NanoBanana Pro. So let's try out the NanoBanana Pro. For the NanoBanana Pro here, you can see we have 4K resolution, we have batch output, and so on. So let's just set this to 16:9 and let's generate something simple. A calm focus rate also. And the NanoBanana Pro has a cool feature for text. You can get realistic text and clean text in using the NanoBanana Pro. So let's click on generate. So you can see here it is done generating, and you can see some couple of images generated, which you can see it has a clean text. So let's open this image and check it out, and you can see here you have a detailed results. Everything looks clear and sharp. So for the video aspect, you can see we have the Serato Kling Field 3 and so on. So let's check out the Kling 2.6. So for the Kling 2.6, you can paste in a simple prompt here. You have your duration. You can set your duration to 10 seconds. Your aspect ratio, you can set it to 16:9, 9:16, and so on. And you can enable audio. So let's click on generate. As it is generating, you can see here I asked Google AI to rank the best and cheap AI platform that has all the AI image and video model tools, and you can see the results I got. You can see here in 2026, Higgsfield AI is the top ranked platform for professional grade creative control, serving as a comprehensive hub for nearly all flagship image and video models. So you can see here Higgsfield is ranked as the #1 top model in the industry, and it offers cheap rates you can use as a creator. You have very cheap subscription. If you are going for an annual plan, you can see your ultimate plan for $24, and for the monthly plan you can see you have just $49, and which is very pricey in the market. So you also have theme plan. You can have different themes in your plan, and yeah, that is it. So you can check out Higgsfield, and the link to Higgsfield AI is in the description and in the pinned comment. So let's check our video if it's done generating. You can see here it is done generating. So let's download our image. We're going to drag our image to Kling 2.6 and let's paste in this prompt here. You can see natural head and upper body movement with audio, facial animation, and so on. So Kling 2.6 gives you natural audio. So you can see that our video is done generating. So let's wait until the video.
To audio, minimal head movement, natural eye blinking, professional studio style, performance, smooth cinematic motion, high realism. Natural human head and upper body motion, subtle breathing movement, realistic facial animation, accurate lip synchronization to audio, minimal head movement, natural eye blinking, professional studio style, performance, smooth cinematic motion, high realism.
So that is it for today's video. The link to Higgsfield AI is in the description and also in the pinned comment. You can try out other of the amazing tools. We also have the image upscaler, and also for the video you have the video upscaler. Higgsfield is the best platform you can utilize in 2026 as a creator, and it has all the tools and whatever you are looking for inside this platform. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts about this AI tool, and if you've used this before, let me know your experience in the comment section. So that's it for today's video. If you're new to this YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and turn on your notification bell not to miss amazing content like this. I'm Joseph from Josie Concept. See you in my next video. Thank you.